There's that one piece of advice that we've all heard, right? I mean, it's been passed down for generations, and I'm pretty sure you've heard it a million times.
Yep, you guessed it. Eat your carrots. They're good for your eyes. It's just one of those things we're told as kids and kind of just accept as fact. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? What's the actual science behind it? What's going on inside that humble carrot that supposedly gives us supervision? Well, today we're going to dig in and find out.
Okay, so here's the first twist. The secret isn't really the carrot. Not the whole carrot, anyway. Think of it more like a package, a delivery vehicle. The real hero of this story, the thing doing all the heavy lifting, is this tiny powerhouse molecule hiding inside. And that molecule is vitamin A. Yep, that's our secret ingredient. And let me tell you, its job description is way, way bigger than just helping you see in the dark.
So what is vitamin A really? Well, technically, it's a group of compounds that are fat-soluble. Now, let's break that down. Essential means our bodies can't just whip it up from scratch. Nope, we've got to get it from our food. And fat-soluble, that just means it gets absorbed along with fats, and our body can cleverly store it in our fatty tissue for a rainy day.
And here's where it gets really interesting. Vitamin A isn't just one thing. It's more like a family, a whole team of related molecules, and each one has a special job. You've got retinol, that's kind of the storage guy. Then there's retinol, the one we've been talking about, absolutely crucial for your eyes. Retinoic acid is all about helping cells grow properly. And then you've got beta-carotene. Think of it as the raw material. It's a provitamin, which is a fancy way of saying our body takes it and converts it into the vitamin A we need. Pretty cool, right?
All right, so we know what it is, but what does it do? I mean, what's its mission in our bodies? Let's take a look, because I promise you, it's about a whole lot more than just sight.
Okay, first things first, let's finally crack the carrot code. Here's how it works. That form of vitamin A called retinol makes its way to your eye. In there, it meets up with a protein called opsin. They combine, and together they form a brand new molecule called rhodopsin. Now, rhodopsin is the real superstar here. It's the molecule that actually lets us see when the lights are low. So it's pretty simple. No retinol, no rhodopsin. And no rhodopsin means your night vision really takes a hit. So hey, that old saying was spot on after all.
But don't think for a second that vision is its only gig. Oh no, vitamin A is like the ultimate multi-tool for your body. It's a huge player in keeping your immune system strong and ready to fight. It's also a major growth factor for cells, especially the ones that line all the surfaces of your body, like your skin. And it's absolutely essential for general growth and development. This thing is working behind the scenes 24/7, just keeping the whole system running smoothly.
Okay, so we've established it's super important. The obvious next question is, where do we get this stuff? Well, it turns out there are two main ways to get vitamin A into your diet. First up, you've got animal sources. These give you what's called preformed vitamin A. Think of it like a ready-made meal. It's good to go, and your body can use it right away, no assembly required. Then you have the second path, plant sources. These give you those provitamin A carotenoids we mentioned, like beta-carotene. This is more like a DIY kit. Your body gets the parts and has to do a little bit of work to convert it into the final usable form of vitamin A. So what does this actually look like on your plate? Well, if you're looking at animal sources, liver is an absolute powerhouse. It's one of the richest sources out there. For plant sources, there's a really easy trick. Just look for things that are orange and yellow. Seriously, that bright, beautiful color you see in carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, mangoes, apricots, that's the beta-carotene. So yeah, a colorful plate is definitely a good sign. All right, so we know what it does, we know where to find it, but how much do we actually need? What's the daily dose to keep everything in working order? Okay, for adults, we're talking about pretty small amounts. The recommendation is around 0.7 milligrams a day for men and 0.6 for women. Now, that might not sound like a lot, but getting that tiny amount consistently is what allows vitamin A to do all of its amazing work.
But hey, here's some good news. You don't have to stress out about hitting that exact number every single day. Remember when we said it was fat-soluble? Well, that means your body is super smart about it. Any extra vitamin A that you take in that you don't need right at that moment just gets stored away in your liver. It's like a little savings account for later.
So there you have it. The carrot's secret isn't some old wives' tale. It's a molecule, a really powerful molecule that's essential for your vision, your immune system, your growth, the whole shebang. We've cracked the code and unpacked the amazing science of vitamin A. So that just leaves one last question for you to think about. Take a look at your plate. Is it colorful enough?